A spa pool is not required to be surrounded by a fence as long as access to the spa pool is restricted by a lockable child-safe structure such as a door, lid, grill or mesh. For portable spas, consumers must make sure that all electrical components and pumps meet electrical safety requirements and are properly covered. This can be done by checking they are marked with a mandatory electrical safety approval number or a regulatory compliance mark. This is an example of a regulatory compliance mark. This mark usually includes a capital letter for your state or territory in Australia and a certificate number. All spa pools must have a CPR sign close to the spa pool. All signs must be able to be read from a distance of 3 metres and must be in good condition. If you do not have a CPR chart in the pool area, then they can be bought from your local pool shop, local council or community organisations such as the Royal Lifesaving Society, St John's Ambulance and the Australian Red Cross. Always remember, any attempt at CPR is better than no attempt at all. If you would like further information on CPR courses, please contact St John's Ambulance, the Australian Red Cross or the Royal Lifesaving Society. See Chapter 13 for more information on CPR. Please note that a spa bath in a bathroom is not covered by this legislation.